Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Toyota Sienna LE. You can see it with the key fobs. I can operate both power sliding doors. Has a brand new rear entry, manual ramp and door, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using 2 fingers. It's got these clamps that keep the ramp from rattling, so I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side of the ramp. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Check that out. Tell our customers, if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this super wide 43-inch bariatric ramp with ease. That's about 13 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if you have a side entry van and someone parks next to you in the side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. But if you're looking for a side entry, we sell side entries. We have full-size vans. We've got trucks and SUVs that are wheelchair accessible. We have over 90 vehicles on the lot ready to go today. Check us out at mobility316.com. If you don't see it, we can either find it for you or we're probably getting it ready right now. Like I said, 1,000 pound weight capacity, does taper at about 42 inches of width here where the ramp sets. This has the deep cut, so you can haul up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or we can even install a gurney kit. And if you want to install gurneys, there's big money in those if you're running a business. We have the upgraded Q-string tie downs. We throw those in at no charge to you. Has the flip base seat, so you can put the bench seat down in the back. You can have 2 up front, 3 in the second row, wheelchair in back, or you can fold both up. You can fold one down, do a combination of both. Allows a lot of versatility. In a matter of seconds, you can have both seats flipped out of the way, push your wheelchair all the way up to the front canal there. So we do have our upgraded Q-strings. I think I said that already. Going to charge a lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. Sorry if I was repeating myself. Got your cup holders, plug-ins, more cup holders for your passengers up front. Even more cup holders. Got your dual climate control, your rear air, your backup camera, so you can sync up your phone there. And also sync up your phone on these. Got the steering wheel controls to keep your eyes on the road, and you can shut all the power doors up here as well. So I'm going to shut those down. When you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process and shut her down, and you're ready to go. Again, 1 finger. Look at that. Super simple to do. Not going to leave you stranded like those power ramps and doors when they break down on you. And our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, a lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do. That's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them, hey, what is your warranty? A lot of them are going to have no warranty. A lot of them are going to have a 1-year, 12,000 mile warranty. A lot of them have a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. I want you to compare those numbers to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty. You tell me who has the best built conversion. Pretty simple, right? You hear me talk all the time how we can save you 5 to 10 grand on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. We have one central location right here in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. That allows us to do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states because we're right in the middle of the country. It saves you money. The other thing is, with our one location, I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 20 locations or more. Imagine how many millions of dollars of overhead they have every month compared to us. Every month, not year. That's how we save you so much money. That's why they have to charge so much more for their vans to cover all that overhead. Our one location keeps our costs low. Do a walk around on the van here. I'm looking for little dents or scratches on the van. Boy, this van is sure clean, like all of our vehicles. It's got the alloy wheels on it. It's got your tinted windows. It's got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. All the tires are a Firestone. They're about 7/32, so they're still a little above average on the tread. If you say, hey, Jeremiah, I want you to put some new tires on there on your dime as the buyer, I can do that. Let me know. But they still have a lot of life left on them. And no matter who you do business with, get a video of the VIN number. Why I say that, a lot of scammers on Facebook. Facebook is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle. I'm being serious. They take my pictures, they cut out our sign, they'll put a van like this on the internet, my van, for $25,000, send a $2,000 deposit to hold it. They're trying to scam you. They're trying to get that $2,000 from you on a van they don't even own, they don't have in their possession. So say to them, I want a video. Hey, my name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I have this van here in my possession. They can't provide this sticker right here, video of that sticker with their name in it, because they don't own these vans, they don't have these vans. Protect yourself, get that 10-second video. What we do with that VIN number and a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it, you can see one owner, no accidents or damage, regular oil change, last owned as a personal vehicle, and nice salt rust free Kentucky. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title, no accidents with a handful of oil changes, exactly what we want. No structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer is accurate, no open recalls, and does show the vehicle went into service August 19th, 2019, so it meets the specs to be under the full factory powertrain warranty from Toyota until August 24th, 2024, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and ratings. Look at us on eBay, 1,580 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. I would say that is a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Check out their ratings and reviews. Look at us, 4.8 out of 5 stars, 326 reviews. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from the general public or these low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings. They end up with a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues of flood damage, bad transmission, bad engine, you name it, I've heard it all. So if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that has the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We do have 2 keys and 2 fobs coming with the van. As I open up the van, got the power driver's seat. Got the gray cloth interior in it as well, so it looks very clean. And when I go to start up the van, got 36,557 miles on it. Fires right up. You can see it's got a full tank of gas. All the dummy lights work and they all go out, so there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Got our backup camera there. And I'll even show you the radio here works. There you go. Yeah, radio works just fine. And if you do want to use the van commercially, you can turn the power doors off, and that will make them manual doors so they'll open and shut very quickly, so you don't have to worry about wasting time. Let me put these seats down so you can get a look at them. Let's just pulling the lever forward here, that little knob right there, and sliding the seats down. There you go. Nice clean seats, nice clean van. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We checked all the power, mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the mirrors and windows moving right now. We checked the heat, air, belts, hoses, screws, suspension, steering, brakes, tires. Taking these on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.5 V6 engine. I can see a brand new battery put in there. Nice clean van. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any oil leaks or any damage. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust from being up north. And no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. That's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, just because it's low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, you know how many brand new vehicles I see at the auction every week that have flood damage? They'll take on floods. The dealer will send them to the auction, just dump them off, make them someone else's problem. My point is, if a brand new vehicle can have flood damage, you better believe you better be checking out a used vehicle before you buy it. So what I want you to do is go check out my competitors. I don't care if it's another dealer, I don't care if it's a private individual. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online? Thousands of reviews so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair. Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They get down their hands and knees, they even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see the vehicle's not all bent up from being in a bad accident and no signs of any flood damage. Do they get up on the roof and show you pictures and video of the roof so you can see no hail damage up there, no holes drilled in the roof from being a taxi? You know how many vehicles I see at auction every week, especially taller ones like this where the roof is just trashed with hail damage or damage up top, but the sellers don't fix the roof because no one looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So when it comes to price, reputation, and how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. I beg you. Tell me what ends up happening if you buy a van you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual, or you buy a van that won't pass inspection in your state because it has damage to the frame from an accident or a flood. In both of those cases, and in many more, if that happens, you can't register it, you can't drive it. You just bought a 4,000-pound paperweight. So to avoid those problems and so many more like it, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, you're not buying a $35 lawn chair off Walmart.com. This is a major purchase. Demand a detailed video, just like this. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month. but I pay that because I want to know exactly what I'm getting. You should demand one as well. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation, check out their reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, van comes with a conversion, 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Told you I'd show you the roof. Everything looks perfect up here. And so do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Let me get her out for a test drive as well. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. You see the steering wheel is nice and straight. There won't be any unusual vibration or noise. Pops up to 75 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set. It's got the adaptive cruise control that'll keep you a safe following distance from the vehicles in front of you. So nice safety feature on the van as well. I do keep in mind we do have a complimentary warranty for the conversion, and also has still a little bit of powertrain warranty left on the vehicle. We do sell long-term, very affordable factory type warranties. They go all the way up to 8 years and even have some short-term ones. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine prints, $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees. They've got tag fees. They've got freight, you name it. They got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all their fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. And that's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. Keep that in mind when you're out shopping. Go ahead and give the van a nice hard brake. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. If you'd like to give us a call or preferably a text, text is the fastest way to get hold of us. That way anyone in our shop can respond as soon as possible. But call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out to, call or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you have to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Toyota whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We can take an application over the phone. We'll give you a call. We'll get you all taken care of. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how all that works. And if you ever would like to come in to visit us, we welcome that. But we do require that you make an appointment. We have about 100 vehicles. We have to get organized, get ready to go for you. Please help us save time and save you some time as well. Make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every vehicle, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or a text today, and I appreciate you checking us out.